Google might finally be giving Pixel users something they've been asking for, a simple toggle switch to turn off the at-a-glance widget on the home screen. Now, if you've used a Pixel phone, you already know what at-a-glance does. It's that little widget on your home and lock screen that gives you quick, useful information, things like the weather, upcoming calendar events, commute times, package deliveries, and even reminders to leave for an appointment. For many people, it's incredibly handy, but not everyone loves it. Some Pixel users feel like it clutters their home screen or just gives them too much information at once. Until now, there hasn't really been a clean way to remove it entirely. Even if you went into the settings and turned it off, the widget would still show things like the date and time, meaning it was never fully gone. Well, that might finally be changing. According to Android Authority, the latest Android Canary build includes a hidden toggle switch that could allow users to completely remove the at-a-glance widget from their home screen. This new setting comes as part of Android System Intelligence version b.17.playstore.pixel10.8-50 for 6611. And it seems like Google is quietly testing it in the background. The new control is very straightforward. It's labeled Show on Home Screen, and you can toggle it on or off. If you turn it off, at-a-glance should disappear from your home screen entirely, something many Pixel fans have wanted for years. Android Authority was even able to capture a screenshot of the new option, though it's not clear when or if this toggle will roll out publicly to all Pixel users. So why does this matter? Well, at-a-glance is one of those features that divides Pixel owners. For some, it's a perfect example of Google's smart and context-aware design. It can alert you about severe weather, earthquakes, or flight updates. And it even doubles as a quick shortcut to control your flashlight or check on connected devices. But for others, it feels a little too busy, like their phone is constantly trying to show them something they didn't ask for. Having the freedom to remove it completely would give users more control over how their home screen looks and feels. If you've never really explored what at-a-glance can do, it's worth checking out. You can find it by long pressing an empty spot on your Pixel's home screen, then tapping Settings under the at-a-glance pop-up. From there, you'll see a long list of features you can turn on or off. Here's just a sample of what you can manage inside. At a glance, weather and air quality up to test-over. Weather and earthquake. Alerts upcoming events from your calendar commute. Traffic and travel times package deliveries and food. Orders for profile details fitness. Updates and bedtime info dashing and travel. Reminders doorbell camera notifications. From Nest or Ring flashlight controls connected device status and battery level sets a long list, and you can see why some users love it. It brings together everything from weather forecasts to package tracking in one neat little widget. For those who rely on Google Assistant and smart home integrations, it's actually pretty convenient. But again, it's not for everyone. If you're someone who prefers a clean, minimal home screen, at-a-glance can feel intrusive. Right now, you can go into the widget settings and toggle off Use at-a-glance, but that only disables certain parts of it. It doesn't remove the widget entirely. That's why this new toggle is such a big deal. It's the first sign that Google is actually listening to user feedback and giving people the flexibility they've been asking for. It's not yet clear when Google plans to roll this out to the public. Since the feature was spotted in an internal test build, it could still be a while before it reaches stable Android updates. It might even debut as part of a future Pixel feature drop, possibly alongside the Android 16 update that's currently in testing. Either way, it's great to see Google finally working on giving users more control over their Pixel experience. Whether you love at-a-glance or can't stand it, having a simple on-off switch is a win for customization and user choice. So, Pixel fans, what do you think? Would you keep at-a-glance for all the handy info it provides, or would you flip that switch and enjoy a clean, clutter-free home screen? Whatever your preference, it looks like soon you'll finally get to choose.